Moreover, AI also helped in predicting future hotspots, enabling authorities to evacuate potential risk areas in a timely manner. This predictive power of AI not only saved resources, but more importantly, saved lives. As we navigated through the wreckage and loss of the California wildfires, we saw the potential of artificial intelligence in action. This case study clearly illustrates the power of AI in disaster response, but how can we summarize the key points discussed? AI is not just a concept of the future, it is actively shaping our present, especially in the field of disaster management. As we've journeyed through this video, we've explored how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we respond to disasters. Let's recap those key points. We began by laying the groundwork, discussing the pivotal role AI plays in disaster response. It's not just about sending out alerts or predicting weather patterns. AI is involved in assessing damage, mapping disaster zones, and coordinating relief efforts. It's the unseen hero working behind the scenes to save lives and restore normalcy. Then, we dived into a real-world example: the 2019 California wildfires. Here, AI showed its true colors, helping to assess the damage more quickly and accurately than human teams could. It provided invaluable data that allowed for faster, more efficient evacuation and recovery efforts. In essence, AI was a game changer. But it's not just about what AI has done, it's about what it can do. As we move forward, it's crucial that we integrate AI into our disaster response strategies. It has the potential to optimize relief efforts, streamline communications, and ultimately save more lives. In a world where disasters are becoming more frequent and complex, AI can be the key to minimizing damage and optimizing recovery. The future of disaster response is here, and it is intertwined with the power of artificial intelligence.